Hey there, Joe DeSanto here. I'm going to talk a little bit about the kinds of credit card charges that you can dispute with your credit card company and what are good ways to recognize those things more quickly. So obviously you can dispute fraud, meaning someone stole your card number, they went and made a purchase, you had nothing to do with it. When you do that, and when you call your credit card company and do that, most likely they're going to close your card account. Well, not close the account. They're going to close that particular card and account number and issue you a new account number. That can be frustrating, especially if you have auto pays and things like that on your account. So keep that in mind. The other thing you can dispute is charges that you felt were incorrect or where you should have gotten a refund, or you thought you were told you were going to get a refund but in the end you didn't for some reason or another. You can attempt to dispute charges like that through your credit card company. However, the credit card company will go and investigate whether or not your position on that matter is accurate. They will get supporting information for or against that, and they may come back to you and say, hey, you didn't actually qualify for a refund here, that's on you, we are not going to refund you that money. Those are a couple kinds of disputes you can undertake with your credit card company. Now, how do you stay on top of them? I find the best way to stay on top of whether or not you've had fraud or charges you weren't going to expect for one reason or another is to track your finances with some kind of software. I use Quicken, but there's plenty options out there. And once a week, or maybe once every other week, go in, download your transactions, categorize them. This is all for the purpose of your own personal financial benefit, but a secondary benefit is that you see the transactions coming through on a regular basis and you can spot fraud earlier on in the process, which may be the difference of you getting that fraudulent funds back or not, particularly if you spot fraud on your bank account, where there might be a time limit, in which case you can make a fraud claim with the bank. Hope that was helpful. See you in the next video. Thanks.